So the travel model is a project we've been working on for many years with Joe Segali and Costa Pappas in planning. And it involves a statewide model that allows us to look at what Vermonters do in a typical day, and then we can kind of do forecasts and make changes to our system to see how Vermonters would respond in different situations. So two components to this project are to keep the model improving and keep it updated with current travel behavior and demographic data in Vermont, and then to use the model for particular applications that we're called upon to use it for. Most recently, a big improvement that we made was we expanded the model's ability to look at travel outside of Vermont borders. So we have 84 different urban areas in Quebec and throughout New England that we now simulate travel on a typical day back and forth from those areas to Vermont and through Vermont. So it's a neat new feature that allows us to think about how many people are coming to and from Vermont from Boston every day, for example. An example of what we might use the model for, we've worked with folks like Josh over the last few years to look at, well, what happens when we have all these construction work zones in an area like Montpelier, like around here, and we have many different projects operating at the same time. How does all the rerouting and all the congestion affect the network as a whole? And so that's just an example of one of those efforts.